Hello again. I wanted to fix my Leatherman to show you the very easy fix for it. What's the problem with that? You see the clip here, the belt clip, isn't touching the main body, and now when I put it in my pocket it doesn't stay there no matter where. It can easily fall and you can lose it, and it's expensive too. Very useful but expensive. I'll show you the next couple of minutes how to do it. It doesn't void your warranty and you can do it by yourself. The guys from Leatherman did it really easy for anybody to fix it by itself. So let's start it. This is our tool and this is all you need for fixing it. You can't use actually this while doing the repair because you might ruin them. So you find torque, I think it was 9. Yeah, because this my really small screwdriver here isn't the best. I have to put them like this. You just unscrew this one. No washers, no nothing. Let's try to see if it's possible. Yeah, I think it's possible to use the pliers from the tool itself, and you just try not to bend them too much. A bit more. I want this to be as tight as possible because I'm going in the woods and it's very easy to lose it if it's not tight enough. Yeah, that's look much better. And then you just screw your funky fingers today. Woohoo! Okay. The best way. Yeah, very nice. Now it will be tight. So we fixed it really easy. It's not big of a skill level that you need for this kind of job. The only thing you need is pair of pliers and T9. And you can disassemble everything on this tool. And basically Leatherman did a great job to give their customers something really nice that they can do themselves, because guys that need this are guys that want to do stuff by themselves. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this short video. We'll see you guys on the next one.